Hello and welcome to another update video about Atom. I haven't covered it for a while, but nobody missed a thing because nothing happened. But I think we're now getting to a point where some kind of an impulsive breakout is due. The reason is because we're very close to support. Down here basically found support around that 10-20 level a few times now, here 4 times overall. We are in the yellow support area. This is the Fibonacci support area that goes down to 996, which is the 78.6 retracement of the move between December and February. So it would be crucial if we want another rally for price to hold the 996 level, because if it breaks below that, it would unlock prices all the way down to 849. And then we have a risk of breaking below the December low, which would make the entire chart a mess and absolutely not reliable anymore. But here we have a possibility for price to rally in a C wave, certainly above the $15 level, way above actually it should be. Should get into the $20 region. But condition is that the 996 level is holding, and we're getting to a point where we can see volume is decreasing. And volatility is decreasing, and we have a WXY structure that we talked about that in the last video. I think it was weeks ago. So it's been following that nicely. I have now added the subwave structures here for the Y wave, because this could be an A wave down, a B wave up, and we're now in the C wave that could be an ending diagonal. Now let me make the background of that yellow box a little bit less solid. So we see the price a little bit better. I mean, this is not the best diagonal count, and certainly this could extend out further. So I'm not suggesting this definitely is the correct micro count, but we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have a wave 3, we have a 4 and a 5. So it could have bottomed. Still, there's nothing, obviously this diagonal, it could be that this was the third, we get a fourth and a fifth. That's unfortunately in diagonals, unfortunately, always possible. So I wouldn't rule out that we extend a bit further, but just be aware that any drop below 996 should be avoided. If it does it should at least not be sustainable. And if it sustains below that level, then this whole setup is likely not going to work out. But yeah, I mean, it's been holding support now, and you know how quickly things can change, right? In crypto. I mean, they can turn around at an instant. But yeah, it's starting to fall asleep here a little bit, but that's normally the time when things can start to get moving. So I just encourage you to take a look at this chart. Be aware of the setup, be aware of the invalidation point, be aware of the level where probabilities shift towards something more bearish. And target-wise, we can look at the target for that C wave of a third wave. Looking first of all at the 1-to-1 ratio and then the 1.618 extension. So the first target would be roughly $17 and the 1.618 extension 21. So there is certainly good reward to risk here, but so far, and I can tell you that as well, there is no indication at this stage that price is bottomed. I think it will bottom somewhere in this region, at least there's a good chance. But I have at present no indication it has bottomed. First, I think good and solid confirmation that we have bottomed would be a break above the wave 2 high. That's 1197. That would also take price out of the yellow box. And then a break above the B wave high at 12 to 1294 would be even better confirmation. Okay, that's my update about Atom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.